Okay, this is a troubleshooting video you asked me to make. So here's the first switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The switch next to it has power. This is the second switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This switch also has power. Turns on the outdoor lights. This is the third switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And these also have power. They turn other things on in the house. If you can help me with this, I'd appreciate it very much. Thank you.